Hi everyone. Today we are going to show you how to create a Typeform in WordPress website in 5 minutes. Let's get into the WordPress dashboard. Here is the WordPress dashboard. For creating Typeform, I have installed Fluent Form and its add-on. As I installed earlier, now I will create Typeform from the Fluent Form option. You need to use a Fluent Form Pro version for creating advanced form in WordPress website. So click on the Fluent Form Pro version, just new form, choose create conversational form. Here is already a demo form is created. You can just rename the placeholder. You can write full name, email address, subject, and your query. We will just add phone numbers in the form. Now I will add phone numbers. Just Ctrl F and write phone. Otherwise you will not find the phone number. It is just a trick. Just drag and drop after email. The form has been created. We can now click to save form. Click to preview. Voice nice. Now I will add this link on the contact us button. As I don't have the button in the header, I will add in the contact us pages. I'll remove a space link and I will add as this link to work. You need to select main menu in the header. Just scroll in the below. See contact us. You can see put your Typeform link. Just click to save menu. Just click to visit the site. You can click on the contact us. How nice. Let's see how it works. It's perfect. You can easily create the Typeform in WordPress easily in minutes with the help of Fluent Form plugin. If you like my video, please subscribe and thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.